Hazrat Yazid bin Abu Ubaid, the slave freed by Salama, states that Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu said, "We along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out for Khaybar. So a man said, O Amir, it would be extremely nice if you would recite to us your poetry." He thereupon dismounted and started reciting camel song. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we would not have been guided. And he except these recited many verses which I have not remembered. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Who is this camel driver?" The people submitted, "Amir bin Aqwa." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestow his mercy on him." A man amongst the people, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, would that you had let us benefit ourselves more of him." When the people were drawn up in ranks, Hazrat Amir got wounded with his own sword, which caused his death. In the evening, the people made a huge fire. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, "Why is this fire, and for what purpose it is being made?" The people submitted, "For cooking meat of domestic asses." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Dispose of what is in the casserole, then break them." A man submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should we throw away the meals and wash the casseroles?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Well and good, do it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6331.